Welcome. In front of me I have a Huawei D2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's find the Huawei Health and tap on the icon to open it. In the app you will see the health page. Now tap on devices and here on the list of devices you should see your Huawei Watch D2. Tap on it to select it. On this page, find this icon in the top right corner, tap on it, and then tap on Unpair Device, and then tap on Unpair. The watch will disappear from the device pages. We can close the app now, and just in case we can check the Bluetooth settings on our phone. So, if the Huawei Watch D2 was here on the list of paired devices, you will need to tap on Settings or Info icon next to it, and tap on Forget or Unpair. Well, it's not here, so we can close the settings. And basically that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.